I'm going to share Snuggle Puppy with you. It is a little love song book by Sandra Boynton. I know a lot of you probably have this book at home. It's a great read. And maybe you made up your own melody to sing it. Or maybe you know there's a CD out there. That's where I learned the melody. Sandra Boynton made a whole CD with a lot of her books sung, sometimes by famous recording artists. They're great. I know the library has them. When it reopens, you can take advantage of that. But in the meantime, let me share with you the melody I know to Snuggle Puppy. This can be thought of as your lullaby at the end of the toddler or baby class, or as your song tale at the end of the Arts for Tots music class. And this is my Snuggle Puppy, Lolly. She wanted to be involved. Well, I have a thing to tell you and it won't take long. The way I feel about you is a kind of a song. It starts with an ooh and ends with a kiss. All along the middle it goes something like this. It goes, ooh, snuggle puppy of mine. Everything about you is especially fine. I love what you are, I love what you do. Fuzzy little snuggle puppy, I love you. I say, ooh, snuggle puppy of mine. Everything about you is especially fine. I love what you are, I love what you do. Ooh, I love you. Now I wanted just to tell you, and it didn't take long. The way I feel about you is a kind of a song. I started with ooh, I gave you a kiss. Hope you liked the middle, now we'll end like this. Ooh, snuggle puppy of mine. Everything about you is especially fine. I love what you are, I love what you do.